Today's topic is about creating deepfakes locally. And the best part, it works without a graphics card. So, let's get started. The tool I am using today is Roop Unleashed, an evolved version of the Roop repository with many added features and a graphical user interface. You can run it on Google Colab, but I will show you how to install and run it on a Windows system locally without needing a graphics card. To begin, you will first have to install Visual Studio. So, open this page by clicking the link in the description. Then, download the Community Edition. Once done, open the installer file and go through the installation steps. Be sure to select both desktop development with C++ and game development with C++ options to ensure it works properly. Next, click on the Install button to initiate the process. And remember to restart your computer once installation completes. Now, click on the Roop Unleashed link in the description and it will take you to its GitHub page. Once there, click on this green code button and click on Download Zip. Once you have downloaded it, ensure that the folder doesn't contain any spaces in its name to avoid installation errors. Now, unzip the files and navigate to the installer folder. Then, open the Windows run.bat file. This will prompt a command prompt to open and start downloading all the necessary files required for running Roop Unleashed. Once completed, the graphical user interface will open automatically. If you don't have a graphics card, make sure to check the Settings tab to confirm whether the processing is set to CPU or GPU. So, let's begin by demonstrating a video face swap, followed by an image face swap. First, click on the Source Files box to upload your source face image. Once uploaded, select the face you want to use and remove all the other faces. Next, click on the Target Files box to upload the target video you wish to deepfake. Then, scroll down and select your preferred algorithm from the Post-Processing drop-down menu. Finally, click the Start button to initiate the process. While the processing continues, let's take a quick look at how to do a face swap with an image. So, just like before, upload your source image in the first box. And upload the target image in the second box. Once done, click the Face Swap Frames checkbox, and the process will begin. The image processing happens much faster. And the outcomes are remarkable, making this software among the top choices for face swaps and deepfakes. Here are the results. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and share it on your socials.